Hello YouTube family, it's Abdul here, and in today's video I am going to teach you how to buy a cheap website for your online business. So if you are an affiliate marketer or an e-commerce business owner, or you are into a dropshipping business, at the end of this video you are going to learn how to buy a cheap web hosting and domain name for your online business. If this is your first time here, please kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on a bell notification icon so that you can be notified when I drop a new video. With that said, let's quickly get right into it. The company that we are going to be talking about today is called HostGator. HostGator is a web hosting company that has been in operation for years now, and I have been using them for my online business for quite some time now. So far, I think they are one of the best when it comes to security and affordability. And the best of all, they has a very friendly customer services, and they are always there to help you to fix any kind of issues that you may have at a particular time. So if you are looking for the best web hosting services for your online business, I think you should consider using HostGator. If not for anything, at least it is very affordable and their security system is top notch. So to buy a cheap web hosting and domain name from HostGator, all you need to do is to click on the link below this video in the descriptions, and then it will bring you to this page. And if you click on the link in the descriptions, you are going to get a discount of anything you buy on this website. Okay, so once you are on this page, all you need to do is to click on get started here. Just click on get started. It is loading. It's loading. Yeah, so here we are. As you can see here, HostGator has three plan. They has three package on their platform. They have Hashling plan and baby plan business plan. So we are going to select the one we are going to use here today is the Hashling plan. That is the one I've been using, and the plan is awesome and is very affordable. As you can see here, is just $2.75 per month. So we are going to buy this one. Click on buy under the Hashling plan. Click on buy now. Yeah, so it will bring you to a page that look like this one. On this page, all you need to do is to just enter your domain name here. And anything can be a domain name, even your name. If you already have a company name, you can use it as your domain name. If you even your own name, your own personal name can be a domain name. And if you enter the if you buy the monthly the 12-month package here today, you are going to get a free domain name from this platform. They are going to give you a free domain name if you buy their monthly their 12-month package, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve that. Okay, so just keep watching that video. So all you need to do here is to enter your domain name. So your domain, anything that you wanted to use, like I said earlier, your business or anything, even your name can be your domain name. Okay, so let's say I want to use something like digital as my domain name. Let's say digital marketing, or let's say digital.com. So digital, if you want to use .com or anything .net, you can select that here, or that .net, .club, .info, .org, anything you want is here. Okay, all you need to do is just click on this drop down, then to bring an options for you. But unfortunately, this particular domain name is not available, so we are going to choose the one that is available. Okay, we're going to choose the domain name that is available. So if your own is not available, don't give up, just look for another name. Let's say digitalmarketing.com. Let's see if it's available. So it's not available. Okay, let's see fair let's see fex digital marketing. Okay, this one is available. Yes, so this name is available. So this one is available. And if you already have a domain name, let's say you already have a domain name, you have a website somewhere and you want to move it to HostGator, you can also move it here by clicking on I already have a domain name. I already own this domain. So you can just, type the domain name here and then. But if this is your first time, you don't have a website before, just click on register a new domain to avoid confusion. Okay. So that all you need to do is to just scroll down. Okay. Once the system said your domain is available and it's free, the reason is because if the reason is if you're buying the 12 months package and you're paying it, you're selecting the 12-month billing cycle, you will get this domain for free. Okay, though it's not free. Okay, it's not supposed to be free, but because you are buying their 12-month package, that is why they're giving it to you for free. So just scroll down. Once you find the domain that is available, just scroll down on the page. So next, it will bring you to this area. Under this domain privacy protections. So this domain privacy protection, what it means is that it allows HostGator to hide your information from from spammers, because if you register a new website, all these web design all these web designing company developers, the programmers, they used to search for people information, people that just registered a new company, to send them a proposal, to help them to build their platform. So if you don't want to, and sometimes their message could be could be disturbing, you understand, it could be irritating. So if you don't want to expose your details to the public like that, you can select this add-on here. It is an add-on and it is an optional. So HostGator would help you to protect your information. They will hide your information. They wouldn't allow anyone to have access to it. Nobody can view it. So if they click on your domain name, they select your domain name would show them the HostGator's details instead of your own. Okay, so that is what it means, and it is $14.95 per year. So if you don't have the money, if you're just starting up a business, you may just untick this one. You may untick, and if you have the money, it is advisable you can choose it and use it. Okay, but if you don't have the money, just make sure you untick it. Okay, it's an add-on and it is an optional. Okay, so the second step here that you need to uh, um pay attention to is this under this package type. So under the package type, the package that we choose here is Hashling. So and under the billing cycle, we selected 12 months, 12-month billing cycle, and they also have 1 month billing cycle. They have 6-month billing cycle. They even have 36 month billing cycle. But I normally use 12. I use 12-month billing cycle for my own business because it saved me a lot of money. Because if you're paying monthly now, you're going to be paying $10 per month for the services, and you won't have any free domain. You won't have this free domain that they are giving it that they are giving to us here. They won't give you a free domain, but if you select the 12-month package here, you get a free domain, and then you pay. They will charge you at the rate of $2.95 per month. And if you buy it for a month, you pay $10 every month. You can see the differences here. So for me, I use 12 months billing cycle for my own business, and that is what I will recommend you to use to save you from stress and money. It will save you some money. Okay, so here what you need to do under the step 3 is you need to enter your email address here, a valid email address, and then confirm the email address. Make sure put the email address here, and then you confirm it, put the email here again, and then under the security pin, this is for a security purpose. It is very, very important. Okay, so you have to put your security code here. Put your security code here. Make sure it is something that you can remember. And then under the password here, put your password here. Make sure it is strong, and make sure the password is strong. You can use number. You can use number. You can also use some symbol like arch, and or at, so that to make your password very strong. Okay. So after that, under step 4, step 4. So step 4 is to enter your billing information. So enter your name here, enter your last name, enter your company name. Under this company name, it is an optional anyway, but if you have a company name, you can enter your business name. Your website name can even be your company name. Okay, so that one is not a big deal. And your phone number, put your phone number here, and make sure you enter from the country code. Okay, enter plus, then enter your country code and enter your number. So that one is very simple, and I believe you understand that. And under the address here, enter your address here, and then under the address tool, it is an optional. Then select your country. Okay, you select your country here. Any country that you are, select your country here, and your city. Enter your city here. Enter the name of your city, and then select your state. Select your state and then enter your zip code. If you don't know your zip code, you can go to Google. You can just say you can go to Google and check for you might just say, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, anywhere you're watching this video from, you can just go to Google and say it. Okay, Canada zip code. So it will bring out a lot of zip code for you, and if you're living in a very developed country like that, at least you should know your zip code. If you're living in Nigeria, you can also do the same to get your your zip code, to get a zip code, and enter it here. Okay, when you get the zip code, just enter it here, and then the last step on this step 4 is to select your payment method. So they have PayPal payment method, and they also have credit card payment method. So anyone that is convenient for you, if it is credit card, then enter the name on your credit card and enter the credit card number here. So and then this CVV code is a 3 code at the back of your card. Enter it here. Select the month here, the expiration month, the years, expiration dates, month here, and the year. Okay, under this tax exemptions ID, you can just ignore it. Okay, you can just ignore it. So once you're done with step 4, then move on to step 5. Step 5 is an add-on. Okay, like I said earlier, if you're just starting up a business, most of these add-ons are very, very necessary. They can help you to protect your website, and they can help your website to load very fast if you read them very well. But if you're just starting up a business, you might just ignore them because it is an optional. An optional. You're just starting up a business, you can just ignore them, to avoid spending a lot of money. Okay, so you can just ignore all this add-on. Make sure you did not tick anything here. Just leave it empty like this. Just leave it on tick like this. Then scroll down. So now let's look at the summary of what you're buying under the step 7. Let's look at under the step 7. Let's look at the summary of what you are buying. So let's review everything. Let's review our orders. So the first thing we are getting here is we are getting a 24 hours live support, so we can chat with their online representative. Chat with them anytime you have any challenge. We can talk with them, and they are always there to guide us to make sure that we're satisfied with the platform. And secondly, we have to look at the secondly, they are going to activate our account. We are going to have instant activations. They're going to activate our account for us instantly, and that is free. And another one that we have here is the money back guarantee. So if we are not satisfied with what we are buying here, they are going to refund our money within. You can request for a refund of your money within 45 days. Okay, and so the next one that we have on our list here is the domain registration. So we are registering fixdigitalmarketing.com, and this domain here is free. As you can see, it is free. The reason why it is free is because you are using my link. The reason why is if you did not use the link below this video, it might not be free for you. And not only that, under the hustling package, you can see we are paying 12 months, and you are supposed to pay $107.40 here. Okay, but because you are using the link, I am using the link below this video, under the description. That is why I am only going to pay $33 instead of $107. So make sure you use the link in the descriptions. Use the link below this video so I can get this kind of discount. You can see, look at the amount of discount that we are getting. They gave us about $92.39 discount. Okay, so make sure you use the link in the description so that you can get this kind of discount. So the total amount of money that we are going to pay here today is just $35.17. The reason why it's even $35 is because of these $2, and this one is for the tax fee. The tax fee depends on the countries that you live in. If you're in the United States, they will charge you $2.17, but if you're in other country, I cannot guarantee the amount they're going to charge you, but I'm not sure it's going to be even up to this $2.17. Okay, so that is all about that, guys. So once you're done with the reviews and everything, make sure you click on yes, you have read and agreed to HostGator's or to renew terms. Then click on tick on this, okay, to accept the agreement. And then make sure you check everything again to have to be ensured that you did not make any mistakes. Okay, check all your details, everything you put in here. Make sure you did not make any mistake. Make sure your payment method is intact, and if, like I said earlier, you can use credit card or a PayPal, anyone that you can use, anyone that is convenient for you, it is fine. Okay, so just make sure you do not make any mistakes, and your amount due here is $35. Okay, so as far as you click on my link, you should get this discount. And yeah, that is all about that. Okay, so once you're done, then come down here and click on check out now. So once you click on checkout now, it will take you to the thank you page, right? It will take you to the thank you page, and your account is going to be created automatically. Your HostGator account is going to be created automatically, and your cPanel account is also going to be created automatically. Now, let's wait for some time because they are going to redirect us from here to our HostGator account. So from there, we can be able to do whatever we wanted to do. Just wait a little bit. Just wait. Boom. So here we are inside of our HostGator's account. As you can see, this is how your own HostGator's account is going to look like whenever you buy your website. And so after you have successfully made the payment, you will be directed to your thank you page. So from thank you page, you will be directed automatically to this page. Okay, and then your login details has been sent to your email address. Please remember, your login details to this page have been sent to your email address, and also your cPanel login details has been sent to your email address. So that is how to buy a cheap website from HostGator. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress and start building your blog or your website from there. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do and turn on the bell notifications icon so that you can be notified whenever I drop the video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to see you in the next video. Thanks.